Want to build an employee salary hike analysis dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We'll start by importing our employee salary data. File uploaded successfully. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Brix AI is analyzing our data, identifying key patterns in salary increases across departments. It's automatically generating multiple visualizations to tell the complete story. The AI recognizes this as salary hike data and creates relevant charts showing average hike percentages by department, total salary increases over time, employee distribution, current versus new salary comparisons, and highlights the top performers. Our employee salary hike analysis dashboard is complete with 5 interactive charts and a comprehensive summary table. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand. Now let's explore presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen view is perfect for executive presentations, allowing seamless navigation between all our visualizations while maintaining that professional polish. Back to edit mode, we can scroll through and interact with every element. Try Brix today and transform how you work with data.